Hey friends, in this video we'll see how to install MySQL. So let's first go to the browser, okay, and here you can see search for MySQL dev.mysql.com. You can go through these steps. Otherwise, I will place a link in the description so you can directly download the file from there. So now next you go to MySQL downloads. So in this MySQL downloads, you can see MySQL installer for Windows. So I am doing this video for Windows. Okay. So MySQL for Windows, and you can see there are two installers. So you can choose any of these. If you have good internet connectivity, then you can go with the first link. This size is small, but it will use internet while installing. If you had unstable internet or weak internet, you can just download this big file, and then it won't take any internet while installing. So I will download this big one, second link. So press download, and if you want to log in using any uh, sign up, okay, or to Oracle, you can go for it. And one more thing, so basically here you can see there it is a 32 bit actually. So after it will automatically recognizes the device. Initially it is 32 bit only to showing, but it will recognize for the 64 as well. It will work for 64 as well. So if you want to know which one, what is your device is, so go to settings. Here you can see all settings. Go to settings. In this you press about your PC. So here you can see system type, that is 64-bit operating system. So it is my system. So you can check for your device also. So just I'm downloading this. So keep it's been downloading, and so in the meantime I'll brief you about my channel here. So here I have a various content maker where I'll post videos about animation and some few tutorials. Okay, on Python also I have started, and then I have various simulators. So you can check it out, like Proteus. Okay, so you can have some Proteus QCS and similar softwares, and also have academic class tutorials. So where you can have classes of topics of individual topics, 15 to 30 minutes videos. So you can check them out. If you like it, share, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, it's been downloaded, and you can go for show more. I'll just place it over another folder. Just for my convenience, I have created a folder named MySQL. So in this I will paste it. Now just okay, you can see install here. Otherwise you can directly press double click. Anything is fine. So it will take a few minutes. After that, when it's completed, it will ask for it will ask yes or no. You just press yes. Okay, and after this it might ask one more time. For me it is asking 2 times, so I have pressed yes. I mean it will appear after this installation. Yeah, now press yes. So it's been set up. Now you need to choose a setup type. Okay, here we have different types like developer, default, service off only, client only, full, custom. In our case we'll go for custom and press next. In this we'll select go to MySQL service here, press plus, and my device is 64-bit, so that's why it is default it's showing 64, and if your device is 32 it will show 82, I think. Okay,
If it is a 32 bit, it will show 82. My bit is 64, that's what is showing 64. And just press this right arrow, it will be added here. Now go to applications and you can check for MySQL same 64 bit. So now we have these two, MySQL service and MySQL test bench. And now yeah, so after going checking this, you have we got these two on the right side, so make sure you have both of them and just press next. Okay, and then you can see this installation directory where you want to install and all. So I'll change the directory for me because I have a less space over there, so I'll just uh, yeah. So 1 minute, I'll make few folders over inside. So installing directory, so sorry. MySQL install. So I'll have this one, and there is another one, it is asking data directory, right? So I'll just have another folder, or I'll just copy paste it over here. So data, yeah, I'll just create for my convenience. I'm creating these two, so I'm just having new folder, and here you can have, sorry, MySQL. So it is in install, so press OK, and this I will place it in the data. Okay, so MySQL, press data, press OK. Okay, now it's all set, press next. So you are still earnings with your selected, or if you want to contact, yes. Now you can see this page. Now just press execute and it is installing. Okay, yeah, maybe it takes time, so I'll pause the video. So as these two have been, you can see the both are completed. Now just press next and just press next. So leave them in the default only, just developer and all, don't change it. So when you press next, at the stage you will ask to enter MySQL root password, repeat password. So here you will enter the password, and then you can have press the add user. Here you can see add user. So after pressing add user, it asks to have some username. Literally you can have anything. So just using some dev user something. Okay, random. So just select the host as localhost and role and keep the same thing. Okay, so dbadmin and MySQL, create a password for the same dev user. Okay, press OK. Now we have created a user, standard username. To press next. So just if you press execute now, it will automatically execute all of these. Okay, and just press finish. Prod configuration, you can see, press next, finish. Okay, so it's done, and now you can see this will open like this, a workbench, and you can see this is your instance. Okay, local instance MySQL 80. So just enter the password that we have created, press OK, and this is it. Okay,
So basically this is I have already have a database in my laptop, so that's why it is by default it is open my old one. But actually I will show you, wait a minute. Yeah, so to have a new thing, so when you press home button on your home on this MySQL workbench, so this home symbol, you will come to this page. Here you can see a plus icon. So let's check the text connection. So first, and then I will tell you how to see add a new connection. So this is the one that right currently we are in. So just select this yeah. So you can have this wrench symbol. So press this wrench, and you can just test the connection over here. So the connection was successful. So the same way you can add some new one. So press this plus symbol and add a new connection, name some example, so SQL link or something. Okay, so having this name, just press OK. So you have this one, right? So when you click on it, it will open it. You can open it. So sorry, so MySQL. So same way you can have something. Okay, you can have test connection. So to test this connection, you can just press 1 2 3 4. So you can set successfully made. Just press OK. You have other thing. So this is how you can create. So when you click, it will automatically open new one. Yeah, new connection. So thanks for, this is how we do. Thanks for watching. So for more, you can subscribe to my channel. Please press bell icon. So hope you like it. Share with your friends.